Hello, boys and girls. We are going to solve another math story problem using the read, draw, write method. And as we solve the problem, I want you to think, is this an addition story? Are we adding things together? Or is this a subtraction story when we're taking something away? Let's begin by reading the story, and we're going to read it twice. Malik went to the market. He bought 46 apples. He was hungry and ate 22 of his apples. How many apples does Malik have left? Let's read the story one more time. Malik went to the market. He bought 46 apples. He was hungry and ate 22 of his apples. How many apples does Malik have left? So let's think about the story. We know it's about Malik. And he went to the market, and what did he do? He bought some apples. He bought 46 apples. So I'm going to circle that. That's a lot of apples. And then he was really hungry. I know he was hungry because he ate 22 of his apples. That's a lot of apples. So Malik went to the market. He bought 46 apples. And when he was hungry, he ate 22 of his apples. Here's our question. How many apples does Malik have left? Well, let's draw our picture. Again, he started with 46, and we're going to use our 10 sticks and our dots again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 40 and 6. He started with 46 apples. And here's where we need to think. Did Malik get more apples? Do we need to add 22 more? Or did he get rid of some of his apples? Did he take some away? Well, he ate the apples, so that means he has less than 46 because he took some away. He ate them. He put them in his belly. So we're not going to add 22 more. We're going to take 22 away. So I'm going to cross out 10, 20. I took away 20. And how many more do I need to take away? 22. 2 more. 1, 2. So these are the apples he has left. We crossed out 10, 20, 21, 22. How many apples does Malik have left? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 20 and 4 is 24. Malik has 24 apples left. What happened to the others? He ate them. Remember, he started with 46 apples. He ate 22 of them. He has 24 apples left. And we need to write our number sentence. We started with 46. And was this plus or minus? If we took some away, we know that is a subtraction problem. Minus 46 minus 22. He ate 22 apples. 46 minus 22 equals 24. He had 24 apples left. Okay, I'm going to pause and I'm going to start a new story problem that you will be able to solve on your own. Here's your next story problem. Mrs. Crawford bought 55 balloons for her daughter. Oh no! 13 balloons popped. How many balloons are left? So this time you're going to solve the story problem on your own using the read, draw, write method. You're going to read the story one more time on your own. You're going to draw a picture, and you can use 10 sticks and 1 dots. You're going to need to think, is this a plus or a minus story? You're going to solve the problem and write your number sentence. Good luck. Let's see how you did. Okay, let's solve the problem together. We'll read it one more time. Mrs. Crawford bought 55 balloons for her daughter. Oh no! 13 balloons popped. how many balloons are left? So our story is about Mrs. Crawford. It's about her daughter. And Mrs. Crawford bought her daughter 55 balloons. That's a lot of balloons. But something happened. Oh no, 13 balloons popped. We want to know how many balloons are left. How many balloons did not pop? So, what did we start with? We started with 55 balloons. Let's circle 55. 55 balloons. And what happened? 13 balloons popped. We'll circle the number 13. You can already start thinking, did Mrs. Crawford get 13 more balloons, or did she get rid of 13 balloons? Think what happens if they popped. And here's our question. How many balloons are left? Well, here's another clue. When it says how many balloons are left, I know that some of the balloons went away because they popped. So that tells me this is a subtraction story, a minus story. Let's start with 55. And remember our 10 sticks. How many 10 sticks do we need for 55? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 50 and 5. 55 balloons for Mrs. Crawford's daughter. And what happened? 13 of them popped. Am I going to add 13 more? No. We're going to cross out 13 because 13 of these balloons popped. So we're going to cross out 10, 11, 12, 13. We crossed out 10 and 3. We crossed out 13. How many balloons are left? Let's look. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. 40 and 2 is 42. 42 balloons are left. 42 balloons are left. And we're going to need a number sentence. We started with 55. And I think you know by now, is this plus or minus? This is a minus story because we took some balloons away. 55 minus. How many did we cross out? 13. 55 minus 13 equals, how many balloons were left? 42. 55 minus 13 equals 42. 42 balloons are left. Is this the answer you got, boys and girls? I hope it is. Well, we'll see you next week for one more story problem. Have a great day, guys.